The United States and China are locked in a new kind of competition. This isn't a race to the moon. This is a race to build the smartest, deadliest AI combat drones. Imagine a chessboard, but instead of wooden pieces, we have unmanned aircraft controlled by artificial intelligence, making sensing life or death decisions in milliseconds. This is the future of warfare, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Both countries understand the game-changing potential of AI in military operations. Drones are already reshaping battlefields. They provide real-time intelligence, strike with precision, and minimize human risk. But adding AI to the equation takes things to a whole new level. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now. We're on the cusp of an era where autonomous machines could be calling the shots in conflict zones. This new reality demands our attention. We need to understand the technology, the motivations, and the potential consequences of this AI arms race. The use of AI in warfare isn't entirely new. Early versions focused on tasks like target identification and missile guidance. These systems, however, still relied heavily on human input. The true revolution began with the advent of sophisticated machine learning algorithms. Machine learning allows AI to learn from vast amounts of data, improving its performance over time without explicit programming. This means AI can now adapt to changing battlefield conditions, make complex decisions, and even anticipate enemy movements or all at speeds no human could match. The implications are profound. AI-powered drones could potentially conduct entire missions autonomously from takeoff to target engagement and back. This raises serious ethical and strategic questions that we as a global community need to address urgently. Both the US and China are pouring resources into AI drone development, each leveraging its strengths. The US, with its long history of aviation and drone warfare, boasts advanced platforms like the MQ-9 Reaper. These drones are already being upgraded with AI capabilities for enhanced autonomous autonomy and decision making. And China, on the other hand, is rapidly catching up. They've invested heavily in AI research and development, focusing on swarm technology, where multiple drones operate in a coordinated network. For a flock of birds, each with a mind of its own, yet working together to overwhelm an adversary. But these advancements are not merely about bigger, faster drones. They represent a fundamental shift in how wars might be fought in the future. While both countries strive for AI dominance, their approaches differ. The US currently focuses on developing AI that enhances human operators' capabilities. Think of it as a highly advanced co-pilot, helping with navigation, target identification, and threat assessment, but leaving final decisions to humans. China, however, seems to be more open to granting AI greater autonomy, and their research explores concepts like human on the loop and even human out of the loop systems, suggesting a willingness to let AI make critical decisions without human intervention. This difference in philosophy stems from various factors, including technological capabilities, military doctrines, and ethical considerations. It remains to be seen which approach will prove more effective in the long run. Section 5. Shifting Sands, AI drones, and global military strategy. The rise of AI combat drones has significant implications for global military strategy. Traditionally, military might rely on factors like troop numbers, firepower, and geographical positioning. AI drones, however, could shift the balance of power, making conflicts less predictable and potentially more devastating. Imagine a small nation outmatched conventionally deploying a swarm of AI-controlled drones against a larger adversary. This scenario highlights the potential for asymmetric warfare, where technology levels the playing field, blurring the lines between David and Goliath. This new reality demands a reassessment of traditional military doctrines and a renewed focus on international cooperation to prevent unintended escalation and ensure responsible use of this powerful technology. Section 6, the future of warfare, AI on the front lines. The future of warfare is inextricably linked to the development and deployment of AI. While predicting the exact trajectory of this technology is impossible, several potential scenarios warrant consideration. One possibility is the rise of fully autonomous drone warfare, where machines engage each other with minimal human intervention. This scenario raises profound ethical and practical concerns. Can AI be trusted to make life or death decisions? What happens if an algorithm malfunctions or is hacked? These questions have no easy answers and require careful consideration. Another possibility is the development of AI-powered cyber warfare capabilities, where drones are used not for physical attacks but to disrupt enemy communications, infrastructure, and even financial systems. Such attacks could cripple a nation without firing a single shot, highlighting the evolving nature of warfare in the digital age. Section 7 Ethical concerns navigating the moral minefield. The development of AI combat drones presents a minefield of ethical dilemmas. One of the most pressing concerns is the issue of autonomous killing. Can we, as a society, delegate the decision to take a human life to a machine master and a standard, and no matter how sophisticated? Another concern is the potential for accidental escalation. AI, for all its advancements, is not infallible. An error in judgment, a miscalculation, or simple malfunction could lead to unintended consequences, potentially triggering a wider conflict. And furthermore, the use of AI in warfare raises questions about accountability. If an AI-controlled drone commits a war crime, who is responsible? The programmer, the manufacturer, the commanding officer? These are complex issues with no easy answers, demanding open and honest debate. Section 8. The need for dialogue and cooperation. The rapid advancement of AI combat drones underscores the urgent need for international dialogue and cooperation. This isn't just about preventing an AI arms race, it's about establishing ethical guidelines and safety protocols to ensure this technology serves humanity, not the other way around. Just as with nuclear weapons, the international community needs to establish treaties and agreements that limit the development and deployment of AI weapons systems. This requires open communication, trust-building measures, and a shared understanding of the risks involved. The alternative, a world where AI-powered drones are used indiscriminately without regard for human life or international law, a terrifying prospect that we must strive to avoid. This section 9, Conclusion. Towards a safer future. The AI combat drone race is a stark reminder of the double-edged nature of technological progress. While AI holds immense potential for good, its application in warfare raises profound ethical and strategic concerns. The future depends on the choices we make today. We must proceed with caution, prioritizing human control, ethical considerations, and international cooperation. The goal should not be to win an AI arms race, but to prevent one altogether. Let's use our intelligence, our ingenuity, and our shared humanity to steer this technology towards a future where AI empowers peace, not conflict. The future is unwritten. Let's ensure it's one where AI helps us reach for the stars, not wage war among them.